Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Polestar. Welcome sa reading ninyo. Itong reading na to ay para kay Leo. Okay? If your sign is Leo, so eto panoorin mo. Ayan. Um, ano bang bago sa life mo ngayon? Hopefully makaka-resonate ka sa message na to. Alright? You have the Justice card, you have the Hermit mode. Napakalayo ng let's say loob mo sa special person mo, with the Hermit and the Justice card, siguro, nagtatampo ka sa kanya. This person could be nasa malayo. With the Chariot card, parang matamlay ka, nagtatampo, parang gustong umiyak. Di ko alam kung nag-aaway kayo or maybe meron kayong di pagkaintindihan, okay? I have a feeling na this person will come back sa'yo, babalik po siya. Siguro magbabiyahe, kasi kakatapos lang ng project niya, trabaho niya. Okay, with the Chariot card, you know this Justice and the Hermit, tapos na ba kayo? Hindi pa po with the Justice and the Hermit mode. Malaki po yung chance na magkikita po kayo for those na who are in a long distance situation, makikita po kayo with the Ten of Wands, the Hermit, the Justice. I feel mga ilang years na po yung relationship na to. Could be marriage, could be na nasa 5 years na po kayo or 10 years, 8 years. Ayan, is it time to give up? I don't think so with the Justice and the Hermit mode. Now you have the Chariot. You know, sometimes yung mga pag-aaway, ito ay dahil sa hindi lang kayo nasa like magandang lugar, magandang location, okay? Some of you, needed na mag-transfer ng ibang bahay, ibang city para sa relationship na magwo-work, okay? Some of you I feel na, um, you have a family with the King of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles. Siguro you could say na this person walang time sa inyo, or you would say na this person is cheating. I don't think this person is cheating. Siguro nakafocus lang po siya, sa trabaho niya, especially kung yung trabaho niya ay nag-involve ng pagmamaneho, could be traveling, could be, nasa malayong lugar. Mabait pa yung taong 'to, seryoso po yung taong 'to, okay? Six of Pentacles, you have the Eight of Cups. Um, Baka may pag-aaway dito with the Eight of Cups and the Ten of Wands. You have the Three of Wands, you have the Four of Pentacles. For those of you who are single, for those of you who are married, if you will let this person go, um, siguro magfo-focus lang po 'to siya sa trabaho na lang, okay? Because, kasi kung magle-let go kayo, hindi lang ikaw yung masasaktan, siya din po, okay? Lalong-lalo na kung meron po kayong pamilya. The Chariot here is, to remind you na siguro hindi ikaw yung problema, hindi po siya, kundi yung lugar, puwedeng mga tao, puwedeng neighbors, ayan. Yung dahilan bakit hindi po nagkakaunawaan. Alright, you have the Devil card, you have the Strength card. I see your career is okay with the Devil card, the Strength card. Wala akong nakikitang problema sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Ayan, same lang po yung mga mangyayari. Kung ano po yung takbo ng life mo sa opisina, sa trabaho, same pa rin po including sa sinasahod mo with the Devil card and you have the Strength card. But I feel yung sa iba sa inyo, Leo, is very creative when it comes to your hands. Ayan, baka nagpe-paint, nagsusulat, or could be an engineer. Ayan, well, magfo-flourish, magpo-progress po kapag it involves writing. Could be an editor as well. You have the Temperance. Um, 'wag lang puknutin, okay? Kung love life is having problems, 'wag lang dalhin sa trabaho, okay? Because you have a good reputation sa trabaho, very workaholic. Tapos kung may baka mapapansin nila, hindi maganda yung mood mo, ayan. You have the Two of Wands, you have the Ten of Swords. Madami ka ding trabaho, eh, tambak-tambak na papers with the Two of Wands, you have the Ten of Swords, but that's because, people trust you, that's because magaling ka sa trabaho so na ina-assign sa'yo yung mga documents, yung susulatin, magta-type, yung gano'n. You have the Ten of Swords, pero kailangan mo ding isipin na yung ibang tao, could be your office mates, yung iba diyan may problema sa bahay, yung iba diyan may problema sa trabaho. So you also need to understand them. Um, Tapos okey naman yung sa health, wala naman akong nakikita sa health and any accidents. Tapos, um, you have the Devil card, you have the Strength card. Sometimes napapaisip ka kung compatible ba kayo ng, let's say, partner mo, yun yung worry mo. Ayan, you have the Chariot card. Andiyan lang siya nag-aantay sa'yo, okey, nag-aantay na mag-effort ka or di kaya nag-aantay na, um, maging, loving ka with the Chariot card. Um, Siguro sa expectations, babaan mo lang yung expectations mo. Kasi unang-una sa pera, sapat lang or kailangan kumayod talaga sa pera, especially kung may family. Ayan, meron din kasi siyang mga problemang ganyan, eh, finances. Pero kailangan talaga teamwork para magtuloy-tuloy yung pamumuhay. Um, Kapag married kayo, of course nag-risk din 'tong taong 'to para to get married with you, like to have kids with you. Um, so yun, malaki yung trust niya na, mag-continue pa rin 'tong partnership or it could be mag-continue 'tong marriage. Ayan, in terms of your kids, I don't think there are problems sa kids niyo, except lang sa finances. Could be because magpapasok ka na and you have to adjust the hermit mode. Siguro dito, kailangan lang tuloy-tuloy yung pagtatrabaho. Kasi kung absent ka, hahanapin ka talaga ng boss mo with hermit mode. Okay, so mataas yung expectations ng boss mo sa'yo. Will they give you a raise? Most probably, siguro after 6 months na. So kung magsi-6 months ka next month, baka you might be, under evaluation. Ayan, the Temperance, you have the Ten of Wands, the Two of Wands. Um, I see chocolates, I see hot dogs. Siguro yun yung mga paborito ng mga anak mo or it could be yun yung paborito ng, let's say, boyfriend mo, partner mo. Ayan, so they miss that. Siguro kung nasa malayo sila, nagtatrabaho sa malayo, siguro they miss yung luto mo or yung mga things na hindi nila nabibili, um, sa lugar nila as of now. Ayan. Um, sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho, makakahanap ba kayo ng trabaho? Check natin. You have the Eight of Pentacles, the Fool card, the Queen of Cups. Hindi pa, eh, wala pang job opportunities sa darating. Yung mga if mga staff, let's say carpenter, nanny, staff, 'Yun, puwede pa. Pero yung mga pang-executive, pang-opisina, hindi pa, wala pa akong nakikitang job opportunities. Could be sa field work meron with the Queen of Cups, the Hierophant, the Fool card. Okay, so yun lang yung nakikita ko, update about sa life niyo. Sana nakatulong and, sana, may ma-realize kayo even if maliit lang po ito na reading about you, Leo. And this is a reminder, sa'yo para, um, ma-improve kahit konti yung sa everyday na life mo. Okay, this is a hint, this is a guidance. Okay, so ingat-ingat po kayong lahat. I'll see you with your next reading. Kung gusto niyong magpa-private reading, I have those na information sa profile ko, so you just email me. You can also find me sa TikTok with Polestar Readings. Yan, or Polestar Tara Bisaya. Dalawa po yung account ko. Okay, maraming salamat. Bye.